Today, we're going to find the expected value, the standard deviation, and the variance of a discrete probability function. This is what we have here. We have two rows, one with numbers. The bottom row is with probabilities according to those numbers. And first things first, we need to make sure this is a probability function. So how do we do that? First, we can see that all numbers, all probabilities here are higher than 0 and lower than 1. And second, we need to make sure the summation of all those probabilities would be exactly 1. No more, no less. And this is exactly what's happening here. 0.35 plus 0.25 plus 0.15 plus 0.1 plus 0.02 plus 0.13 equals altogether to 1. Now, as for the expected value, we need to find the expected value, which is notated like this, E of x. And this is the sigma of x times P of x. That means 0 times 0.35 plus 1 times 0.25 plus 2 times 0.15 plus 3 times 0.1 plus 4 times 0.02 plus 5 times 0.13. Altogether, this is 1.58, and this is the expected value of this function. Now we need to find the variance. The variance has many expressions. We're going to use this one. This expression is consisted of the second moment, which is this expression, and the expected value to the power of 2. So as for the second moment, what we need to do, we need to have the multiplication of x squared times 0 times the p of x. So this is exactly what we have here. 0 squared times 0.35 plus 1 squared times 0.25 plus 2 squared times 0.15 plus 3 squared times 0.1 plus 4 squared times 0.02 plus 5 squared times 0.13. Altogether, all of this adds up to 5.32, right? And the expected value, we just need to take the expected value and multiply it by itself. So we get 1.58 squared, which is 2.4964. Now the variance would actually be 5.32 minus 1.58 squared, which is 2.8236. And the standard deviation would actually be the square root of this variance, which is 1.6804. I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned out of this. Have a good day and see you in the next video.